guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know the drill. I'm Eromosele and I make lifestyle, beauty, DIY and content creation videos. So today I'm going to be taking you guys through my at home relaxing routine. I mean, there's no better time to do this because everyone is under lockdown, and that means you have to learn how to do stuff that you will normally go out or get done by other people by yourself. So just throwing this in before I start the whole video. I do believe my hair is healthy, which is why I decided to share this video with you guys. So I actually don't go to the salon to get my hair relaxed. Mom always does this for me. It's more of bonding for us, and she actually knows what she's doing. But I would definitely advise, if you have the time, you have the money, and it's generally convenient to you, you should get it done by a professional, especially if you have no one helping you and you have no clue of what to do. Before I get to the main part, that's showing you how mom does it for me, I'm definitely just going to throw in some tips on this. And the first thing I'm going to say is that with relaxed hair, I would always advise that you should minimize the amount of times you apply relaxer to your hair. Personally, I do this twice every year, that's every 6 months, or most 3 times every year, so that's every 4 months. And I know some people that do this once every month or even 2 times in a month, and I would advise this because even though your hair can be healthy relaxer, at the end of the day you're applying chemicals to your hair, and it shouldn't be a consistent thing, it shouldn't be a regular thing. Another thing I would say is that you should always moisturize your hair before applying the relaxer. So you see a lot of people putting hair cream, petroleum jelly to their edges and all that, just so it acts as a barrier between your hair and the relaxer. And also you're using chemicals, right? Relaxer is a chemical. It's definitely going to dry out your hair. You see a lot of time when you bleach a weave or you color it makes the hair dry, and if you don't know, dry hair leads to a lot of breakage. Always also use like a towel or cloth on your when relaxing your hair. I wouldn't want the relaxer to drip on my cloth, so I'm definitely gonna use a towel. And don't leave your relaxer on for too long. On every pack there are instructions, so I would say you definitely read the instructions on the pack. It's either on the box or on the packs of the relaxer itself, so you just have a clear guide of what to do. And it's easier when you are applying relaxer to work in sections, which is why you can see my hair is already divided into sections. Relaxer is only meant to be applied to the new growth. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the new growth is honestly less than an inch or half an inch usually, but it shouldn't be applied on the whole hair, because except you're relaxing your hair for the first time, then you're trying to change the texture of everything. It should only be on the new growth because that is what you didn't relax the last time. I don't know if this makes any sense to you, but I'm hoping you get everything. Yeah, after relaxing your hair, it's important to use some damage control or deep condition your hair. Even if you don't relax your hair, I would always advise deep conditioning your hair. Even if you have natural hair, at least once every month. If you can do it more regularly, like once every week, that would definitely be great. And deep conditioning your hair helps to detangle your hair, helps your hair to be softer, helps to nourish your hair and everything. So now I'm just going to show you the products I'm going to be using. So I normally mix my relaxer in a bowl. I always dedicate one bowl to this, and this is probably pretty small. I think I need to get a bigger one. So this is the relaxer I'm going to be using. I removed it from the pack, and this is the ORS olive oil relaxer. I always use the kids one because I find that the adult one is a bit harsh, and my hair isn't like those very coarse or very hard textures. So that is just the adult type is always just a little bit too much for me, so I like the kids one. I use this plastic spoon to mix it, and I use this brush to apply. Just you need a wide tooth comb, and you also need a small, what do they call stuff, small mouth comb. So after that, I'm going to go in with the shampoo, and this is the ORS olive oil shampoo. And then after I wash it off, I'm going to go in with this Garnier Fruit Damage Eraser. And obviously, like I said, I'm going to deep condition it after that, because you leave this stuff for about 3 to 5 minutes, then you wash it up. Then I'll deep condition my hair and just apply some moisture. So with all this being said, just like a guideline, little intro, I would go in and show you guys how my mom relaxes my hair for me. I already went ahead to moisturize my hair, and my mom is just applying some petroleum jelly around the edges of my hair, which I already said why it's important to do that. And for the relaxer, we used 1.5 pack, which was very okay since I'm not relaxing the whole hair. But if you're relaxing your whole hair, you're definitely going to need more than that. And first, she's going to apply it all around the section that she starts with. Then she's going to further divide that section and apply it in between. As you can see, she's basically just going ahead and repeating the same process, parting the hair, applying relaxer to the new growth, and so on, just like that. So now she's done with the back and we're just moving to the front. Nothing has changed. She's still doing the same thing, that is parting the hair, applying relaxer, and it's quite monotonous, so I'm not going to show you guys everything because by now you should already get the idea. So now she's just going to smooth the relaxer and comb through my hair because she's done with the application. And please always make sure to do this. This is very important. Make sure to smooth the relaxer and comb through properly, and I mean properly, because if you don't, here's what's gonna happen. The root of your hair is going to be relaxed and then the rest is not going to be relaxed, but there are going to be two different textures of your hair. So now I'm just going in with these two products. I'm going to be applying the hair moisturizer and massage the hair oil into my scalp. And I went ahead to wash my hair off camera. I did what I told you guys in the first part of the video. I used the shampoo, the damage eraser, and the deep conditioning. Now I'm just blow drying my hair because I can't wait for it to air dry, honestly. And that's what you're seeing. Now she's just going to go ahead to trim the tips of my hair, and I don't always do this because my tips are hardly damaged because I don't relax them. I only relax the new growth. So this is how I relax my hair at home. It's super easy and super convenient for me. Do whatever is convenient for you. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it or it's useful to you, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.